Throughout human history, technology has defined who we are. The wheel gave us motion. The printing press gave us knowledge. Electricity lit up the world. And now, a new wave of inventions is rising. Inventions so advanced, they blur the line between science fiction and reality. By 2030, the gadgets around us won't just make life easier. They'll redefine what it means to be human. Today, we unveil the top 10 futuristic tech gadgets that will change your life by 2030. Imagine a world where you no longer need a phone, a smartwatch, or even a screen. Instead, your eye becomes the interface. These smart contact lenses will project real-time information directly into your vision. From checking messages to navigating through a busy city, the future will literally be seen through your eyes. Features: real-time translation and navigation, health monitoring, like glucose levels, instant calls, messages, and social feeds. Impact: this will revolutionize accessibility. A tourist lost in a foreign country could see directions instantly. A doctor could monitor patient vitals while performing surgery. And everyday users could interact with the digital world without ever touching a device. By 2030, the phrase "eyes on the future" will take on a whole new meaning. Say goodbye to flat screens. By 2030, your phone will bring people to life, right in front of you. Holographic smartphones will project 3D interactive displays in midair. Want to play a game? The characters appear on your desk. Need a meeting? Your colleague appears in front of you, life-sized and real. Features: 3D video calls without VR headsets. Interactive holographic assistants. Immersive holographic gaming. Impact: this tech will revolutionize communication. Families separated by continents will feel like they're in the same room. Students will learn from 3D models instead of textbooks. And entertainment will step out of the screen and into your world. By 2030, you won't just have smart devices, you'll have a smart companion. AI-powered personal robots will clean your home, cook meals, schedule appointments, and even provide emotional support. These won't be stiff machines, but adaptive companions with lifelike gestures and emotional AI. Features: household assistance, cooking, cleaning, organizing. Emotional intelligence for companionship. Gesture and voice control. Impact: for the elderly or disabled, these robots could mean true independence. For busy families, they could mean more time spent together instead of doing chores. And for society, it could mean redefining what a friend is. Tomorrow's personal assistant won't be in your phone, it will walk beside you. For over a century, we've dreamed of flying cars. By 2030, they'll no longer be dreams. They'll be daily reality. Electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles (eVTOLs) will redefine transportation. Imagine booking an air taxi from your smartphone, skipping hours of traffic, and landing at your destination in minutes. Features: vertical takeoff and landing, eco-friendly electric engines, autonomous flight navigation. Impact: urban mobility will be transformed. Commutes that once took hours could take minutes. Cities may even design skylanes, highways in the air. And the skies could become as busy as today's roads. One slip, one fall, and suddenly, your $1,000 smartphone is ruined. But by 2030, screens will heal. Just like skin. These self-healing displays will use special polymers that react to heat, pressure, or even light to repair minor scratches and cracks automatically. Features: self-repair of scratches and cracks, flexible, durable screens, longer device lifespans. Impact. This innovation won't just save money, it will save the planet. With fewer screens replaced, e-waste will decrease dramatically. Your phone won't just be smart, it will be alive. Imagine sending a message without typing, playing a game without a controller, or even walking again after paralysis. By 2030, thought will control technology. Brain-computer interfaces will decode neural signals, letting users operate devices directly with their minds. Features: control devices hands-free with thought, potential to restore movement for paralyzed patients, cognitive enhancements like memory boosts. Impact. This could be the single most transformative technology of the century. BCIs may one day allow humans to merge with AI, creating a hybrid intelligence that redefines evolution itself. By 2030, the clothes you wear won't just protect you, they'll protect your health. Smart fabrics will embed tiny sensors that monitor everything from heart rate to stress levels, sending live data to healthcare providers. Features: continuous health monitoring, stress and fatigue alerts, integration with healthcare systems. Impact: preventive healthcare will become everyday reality. Heart attacks, strokes, and illnesses could be detected before they happen, saving millions of lives. By 2030, the most powerful force in the universe may be sitting in your garage. Fusion energy, the same reaction that powers the sun, could be harnessed in portable generators. Imagine a clean, limitless power source that fits in your home. Features: clean, renewable energy, portable, compact designs, long-lasting, sustainable output. Impact: if achieved, fusion generators will end dependence on fossil fuels, slash emissions, and redefine global energy. It is the holy grail of sustainability, and by 2030, it may finally be within reach. The future of food isn't cooked, it's printed. 3D food printers will use edible cartridges to create meals customized to your taste, nutrition, and health. Features: meals tailored to dietary needs, rapid cooking with zero waste, endless recipe possibilities. Impact: this could revolutionize global nutrition. From fighting hunger in poor regions to creating astronaut meals in space, 3D food printing could change how the world eats forever. By 2030, language will no longer divide us. With AI-powered glasses, the world will finally speak as one. These glasses will provide real-time translation of speech, turning any conversation into a seamless experience. Features: live language translation, navigation overlays and smart assistant integration, contextual AR information. Impact: from travel to diplomacy, these glasses will tear down barriers that have divided humanity for centuries. The world will feel smaller and closer than ever. By 2030, technology won't just improve our lives, it will transform them. We will see through digital eyes, speak across languages without words, fly across cities in minutes, and perhaps merge our minds with machines. These inventions are not distant dreams. They are prototypes today and revolutions tomorrow. The future is not waiting. The future is coming, and it will arrive faster than you think. The only question is, are you ready?